Alright, you just want to see a cold start on this old F-350 after I made the, change the spark plugs, weld that piece on the carburetor, and hook the distributor vacuum up like it should be and all that. Don't get no better than that. And look at the temperature gauge, just in case you think I'm pulling your leg. And yes, temperature gauge works. So, it made a world of difference in the truck. I've drove it around. I mean, it runs good. But a little later, we're going to put a 460 in. I'm going to show you how to swap a 460 into it. Alright, appreciate you watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll put some more videos out.